Let's cast our minds back to when you were managing that big project for a sports retailer, carefully launching a brand new line of dance equipment using specific planning tools to keep everything on track. The project was a massive success, but now it is no longer a temporary undertaking with a set end date. It is a permanent daily operation, moving thousands of units a week. This is where the friction starts. The legacy project management software you used doesn't actually talk to the company's human resources or accounting systems. You have created functional silos. To see how that plays out, imagine a customer buys a pair of dance shoes online. The transaction processes in sales, but the warehouse inventory system isn't automatically notified to restock that exact shoe size. Meanwhile, human resources has absolutely no idea that demand is spiking because they can't see the sales data. They didn't know they need to hire extra shipping staff until the warehouse is already completely overwhelmed. Operating like this forces employees to manually re-enter data across different systems, causing delays, introducing errors, and slowly bleeding the company's money. A successful business cannot scale if its departments are locked in isolated boxes. To survive, it needs a central nervous system. That central nervous system is called Enterprise Resource Planning Software, or ERP, and it is built specifically to solve the silo problem. At its core, an ERP is a single centralized database. Instead of each department maintaining its own separate records, the software pulls everyone together into one real-time source of truth, completely eliminating duplicated data. Today, most of these systems are deployed in the cloud as software as a service, or SaaS. Because the software and data are hosted remotely, a business doesn't need to maintain massive on-site IT infrastructure to run it. An executive can sit at an airport cafe, open their laptop, and check the financial health of the entire organization in real time. By linking people, processes, and technologies together, the organization stops relying on fragmented guesswork and starts making unified, data-driven decisions. To see the sheer speed of an ERP in action, let's follow a single product, a newly updated dance shoe, as it moves through the corporate ecosystem. Look at this digital wireframe. When the design team finalizes the computer-aided design specs, the ERP's manufacturing module instantly decodes those files into usable instructions and drops them straight into the factory's production queue. Once the shoes are manufactured and a customer makes a purchase online, the transaction processing system rapidly kicks into gear. The TPS immediately captures the transaction data, recording the cash flow and updating the company's general ledger without requiring a single human keystroke. At the exact same time, the Customer Relationship Management module logs the purchase history. It automatically schedules an email for the following week, offering that specific customer a targeted discount on a matching dance bag. The system is also watching long-term trends. By analyzing the transaction data, the Human Resource Management module detects a sustained spike in sales volume and flags a looming labor shortage. The ERP sends an alert directly to the HR dashboard, notifying the recruitment team that they need to hire and train 3 new warehouse workers to keep up with the volume. As you can see, these actions, materials cost, incoming sales cash, and new hire payroll, feed directly into the central accounting system. That convergence gives executives an exact up-to-a-second read on tangible assets alongside operating expenses. Because every module is linked, a single click from a customer intelligently mobilizes the entire enterprise without manual intervention. If these systems perfectly connect every corner of a business, you might be wondering why your local mom-and-pop grocery store doesn't use one. The reality is that ERP systems require a massive upfront financial investment to acquire, and they carry steep, ongoing maintenance costs. Beyond the price tag, implementing an ERP is highly disruptive. It forces a brutal learning curve onto employees, who must abandon their comfortable routines and completely change how they work. But for large organizations, the return on investment is undeniable. The money lost to siloed inefficiencies, duplicate data entries, and costly miscommunications costs far more than the software itself. As a future business professional, you need tools like ERP to understand how a single departmental decision creates a ripple effect across the entire company. Think about a business you interact with regularly. Where is their internal communication breaking down right now, simply because they lack a unified system to connect the dots?